Dependable, reliable, quality. All words historically associated with Draper Socketry. Why choose Draper socket sets, sockets and accessories? Our guaranteed quality and craftsmanship continues across the largest ever comprehensive range to suit any professional or enthusiast. All Draper Socketry is guaranteed against faulty materials or workmanship for life. The expanded Core Expert range and enhanced Draper range now offers a choice of over 100 sets and 500 individual accessories. There's a full range of sockets, impact sockets and accessories in 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 3/4 and 1 inch square drives, which are available in 5 different finishes: micro satin, polished, satin, fully insulated VDE and black oxide for impact sockets. The knurl detail improves grip even when wearing gloves. The Draper Hi-Torq performance drive system is available in 6-point, bi-hex, go-through and multi-drive profiles. All are guaranteed to prevent slipping and rounding off of fixings. The comprehensive assortment of ratchet head designs with bespoke soft grip handles, standard and extending versions provide superb comfort, torque, speed, strength and access. A quick release function on selected Draper ratchets securely holds accessories in place. Just press the button to release them. Completely new, bespoke and exclusive tough moulded cases. Expert cases incorporate metal latches and soft grip handles. Metal cases are available throughout the ranges. The expert quality includes 2-tone closed cell EVA foam inserts which hold the contents firmly in place. All our socket sets, sockets and accessories are in accordance with strict DIN and ISO specifications. Only high-grade hardened and tempered steels are used throughout the manufacturing process. The Draper go-through design allows long fixings to pass through the unique hollow socket system. With edge-driven ratchets, torque increases by up to 40%. The slim profile reduces the overall height against a conventional ratchet and socket by as much as 50%. Draper multi-drive sockets are multi-purpose and will fit all of these fastener patterns: metric hexagon, imperial hexagon, Draper TX star and similar patterns, square, spline and 12-point. Carrying just one set to a job is the big advantage. Safety is critical when working on high voltage systems, so we offer a complete VDE fully insulated range in 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 square drives. For strength in quality, reliability and performance, choose Draper Socketry. It's made for the trade.